So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Chef Junior's TV. Today we have another episode of In the Kitchen, where I bring you simple and easy recipes for you to try out in the comfort of your own home. On today's episode of In the Kitchen, we're going to be doing a Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. But we're going to put our own little twist on it. So we're going to do Chef Junior's spicy chicken sandwich, alright? So we got a lot of lovely ingredients here, and we're going to jump right into this video, alright? Alright, for our list of ingredients, we got some buttermilk, we got some flour, all-purpose flour, we got, of course, Chef Junior's all-purpose spice. We use this for pretty much everything. We got some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. We got some mayo. We got a beautiful chicken breast right here. We got some Marie Sharp's hot sauce, and we're going to use this for the marinade. I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. We got some butter. We got hamburger bun. Nice brioche hamburger bun right there. Some tomatoes, some lettuce, you know, the works right there, alright? So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to season up this chicken breast. We're going to throw it in that buttermilk, let it marinate for a little bit, put it in the flour, and then we're going to fry it, alright? So first thing we want to do is, we're going to want to put a little bit of oil on the chicken breast. That way the seasoning has something to stick to. By the way, this was a thick chicken breast, and I cut it in half. So now we can make two sandwiches out of this. You don't want your chicken breast too thick, but you also don't want it too thin. So this is the perfect size. So we're just going to put a little bit of oil on this. We're only going to use one of them today. A little bit of oil on there. Just so our seasonings got something to stick to, alright? So we're going to do the all-purpose spice on the chicken breast like that. Alright, we're going to get this one in there too. Alright, also we're going to throw some cayenne pepper on it because this is a spicy chicken sandwich. You don't want too much, but you want enough to give it that little kick, alright? Make it as spicy as you want it though. I like it spicy, so I'll put some in there like that. Alright, we're going to let that sit for a little bit. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're also going to season our flour, right? So we're going to throw some of Chef Junior's all-purpose spice in there. You're going to throw a little bit of cayenne pepper in there. Then we're going to mix that all up. Alright, now for our buttermilk, this is where this Marie Sharp's come into play, alright? For the buttermilk, we're going to so we adding loads of flavor to this, alright? Boom. Now we're going to take our chicken breast, and what we're going to do is we're going to dip the chicken breast into the buttermilk, into the flour. Now we're going to do that 2 times. It depends on how crispy you want it, how much flour you want on your chicken, but we're going to do it 2 times so it can get nice and crunchy and crispy, alright? Turn this on. We're going to turn our pot on. We're going to get our oil to about 350 degrees. Alright, so for this part, I put some gloves on for this part, alright? Alright, so we're going to take our chicken breast, right? We're going to take our chicken breast, and we're going to dump it in the buttermilk like that. Alright? Ideally, you want this to sit in the buttermilk for maybe an hour or so. Alright, so now we're going to dip it in the flour. Okay, we'll get that flour nice and coated all over that bird. Alright, then we're going to go back into the buttermilk. And then one more time into the flour. Get that chicken nice, press it down in there. Get it nice and coated. Shake off the excess, or however you say it. And we're going to go straight into the fryer now, alright? Alright, now while that's getting cooked over there, we're going to work on our spicy chipotle mayo, alright? So we got our chipotle peppers right here. What I like to do is, I like to actually use the peppers in here. We're going to cut this up. It's a spicy chicken sandwich, so let's go ahead and use 2 of these, alright? Alright, now we're going to add this to our mayo. Alright, we're also going to add a little bit of the adobo spicy sauce to that. And we're going to add some of our Marie Sharp's hot sauce to that. Alright. Now we're just going to mix this up. We'll give it a taste. Oh yeah, definitely hits the back of your throat. That's good. Alright, so let's clean up our mess a little bit. Get this out the way. We're going to keep that there. We'll put this to the side for our burger. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, but we want our oil to be 350 degrees when we put our chicken breast in there, right? And you want to cook for maybe about 20 minutes. You want the internal temperature of that chicken to be 165 degrees. Alright, now so we're going to take the chicken breast out and we're just going to let it rest, alright? We're going to let that rest for about 10 minutes. Take that off. You want that nice golden brown, crispy, delicious skin right there. And let's go ahead and sprinkle some Chef Junior all-purpose spice on there on. Why not? Alright, now that we're going to let our chicken breast rest a little bit, we're going to start dressing our burger, alright? The first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and toast our bun. So we're going to get some butter. I'll butter this bun up. So get the bottom too. Alright, so look at that butter. Look at that bun, nice and toasty, alright? Put that to the side. Alright, so now that we got the bun all done, chicken all done, our dressing all done, everything done, we're going to plate this burger now, alright? Our sandwich, I should say. So there you have it, everybody. Chef Junie's spicy chicken sandwich. Better than Popeyes, better than Chick-fil-A, better than Wendy's, better than anybody else's out there, alright? I didn't put pickles on it because I don't like pickles. You can put whatever you want on it, but the basic of the sandwich, the base of the sandwich is all there. You can put, I put lettuce and tomatoes. You can put bacon, cheese, whatever you want to put on there, you can put on there, right? So we're gonna bite into the sandwich and see what the hype is all about, alright? Which way should I bite into the sandwich? Definitely spicy. The texture from the crispiness of the chicken, the sweetness of the tomatoes, and that nice freshness of the lettuce. Amazing. Want some? No, you can't have that. No, look. Anyways, I'm gonna finish eating this sandwich. If you got this far in this video, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see any other recipes, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video, alright? Anyway, until next time, peace.